All of us are feeling the effects of climate change. The United Nations states that human activities have been the main contributors to this phenomenon. Activities such as fossil fuel burning, greenhouse gas emissions, and deforestation lead to higher average temperatures, long-lasting droughts, the melting of ice caps that cause our sea levels to rise anatomically, damage ozone layer that translates to intense heat waves, and many more. We need to do something right about now. Change starts within ourselves. Small things can contribute, such as segregation and recycling, reforestation, use of public transportation, and use of renewable energy. As humans are the sole contributors, we are responsible for mitigating climate change's effects. I am calling government officials to start an initiative to help combat the inevitable effects of climate change. And for the people of the Earth, let's make a difference and make our future sustainable and comfortable.